Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to find out your iPhone first use date and manufacture date. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this iPhone 15 or any other iPhone device and you're looking for how to find out first use and manufacture date. So for that you need to click in your iPhone settings section. After click over there and you scroll down and then you will find here something say general. After click over general you need to scroll down and then you need to click here about phone. So after click over about phone, we will see screen appear just like this. And just scroll down and then from here you will see manufacture date your iPhone, and that's the first use date. So within this simple way you can easily find out iPhone manufacturer and first use date. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.